Welcome to the CryptoNest. Alright, so let's do an update on Manhattan mining. So now I start to be a little bit worried because we are reaching a little bit too deep, and we start to kind of invalidating this fourth wave in dark blue. Now, because it's pretty much a diagonal, yes, no, there is no such rule. We can go a little bit lower, but the more we go lower, the more it make it unreliable. And now it is unreliable, officially unreliable. And I am pretty much now start to focus more on to this maybe A, B, C in orange, and that's going to be my red count here, and all this would count as a wave 1. And now you can see that we have an A, a B, and a C for the orange. I think maybe I should put it in red so that we know the correction count for so everything is red now. So I guess I should put that also in red. I think I can free up some stuff now. And also this one, if I count this, because it was always challenging, this count, right? But I can remove these 5 waves and just say this was a B, and a C. So you see, it does work, unfortunately. And for this C wave as well, yeah, this is a B, and a C. Now, if I want, I'm pretty much sure I can also, if I say this is A, B, I can count 5 waves here. If I want A, B, 1, 2, 3, maybe I say this is a 4 and this is a messy 5. So you can see at one certain point, structure it's nice, but it's really levels that counts. And these 5 waves now are getting validated because we're getting below the 0.786. Now we say below 0.618 for a fourth wave. If it goes below for extended period of time, it gets invalidated or less likely. Now, well, it start to be less likely. I still give it a little bit of a chance because we do have the ratio wave A to wave C. And when the 1-to-1 ratio fail, it pretty often goes to the 1.618, which it did react many times now. But now it cannot afford to fool around like this for any longer. We need to have a skyrocketing price to the upside to bring us out from this danger zone. And we do have DMA 250 here that it's incoming. Okay, so what's the worst case scenario? Well, worst case scenario, this was a huge ABC for the wave 1, this is wave 2. These are the limits, and we just reached the 0.5 fib retracement. Now, the danger of our patience could be that this is just the A, we're going to do the B and the C because we do have so much room still left. And if I zoom out, we do have a very strong uptrend line, green line here, right? And by the time we go there, maybe the 0.618 is going to be about the level of this green uptrend line that acted as a support. Yeah, so do I believe that? Maybe yes, maybe not, who knows. It's not about what I believe, it's what the chart is telling me for the moment. And what's it telling me for the moment is like, if price goes below the next level that I see that is going to drop, is going to be $16. And pretty much sure now, let me go on the 8 hours. So we have a little bit more of data. Okay, if I bring the VRVP, okay, so this is the block between $10.50 and $13.58, and actually here also $14. So here 16, and you can see that we do have a spike here. Bend on at this level coincide with the 0.5 fib retracement. So there you go. If we fail these levels, we're going to go to about $16. Now let's do the next one. I think I skipped Coinbase. Coinbase, I think nothing changed, honestly. This was the top of the third wave. We did an ABC for the fourth wave, acted well. We have an ABC for the wave 1, ABC for the wave 2, and now I don't have any clear sign that this correction for this inner wave 2 in white it's completed, but we did reach okay, thank you. We did reach, we have an ABC, and we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and possibly 5. Now the thing is, did we really did this fifth wave, or we deserve to have a deeper one? Now this is the thing now, depending on the news of tomorrow, because if we start to skyrocket, then yeah, that's going to be a deal done. But let me see here. I mean, this third wave, maybe it wasn't even finished. This was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I could just place here. And if that is the case, I don't want to move all my things, but if I do that, it will still enable Coinbase to make a nice spike tomorrow and still not invalidate anything. Let me re-put my counts for the moment, but this is something possible. And you know, 0.786, 0.78, yeah, 86, $176. It's very possible can reach that. So I'm still undecided. Actually, the chart is still undecided. I don't have any clear guidance or a hint that this correction is finished, but certainly structurally, microstructure, you know, Fibonacci levels all tend to hint us that it's about to be done, this correction. Microstrategy, I'm very happy that I accumulated here. I did tell you I did accumulated around $300. It went lower. I did tell you I expect price to go lower, but you know, is it going to go lower? So I start to accumulate here. We went higher. No, I didn't sell. Then it started to go lower, and then I bought more. Now, I did also tell you that can you go even lower? Yes, it can. What are the chances? You know, there is always a chance, but the more we go lower, the more we get slimmer chance. And are we going to get this level? I'm not sure. It doesn't look like anyway. Let me put some trends now. Let's see if we can have a sort of a hint. No, I don't think so. Not yet. Okay, so no signs yet for that. And you remember I was counting, I was saying this could have been a wave A, this is a wave B, and then this was a 1, 2, a 3, possible 4, and still possibly have a fifth wave. But also, I mean, this could be just an A, a B, and a C, all right? So did we have 5 waves down? No, we had an A B, and a C. So this is why sometimes, you know, it's nice to look and do micro counting, but at the end of the day, it's better to just zoom out and go for the bigger movements. Fibonacci retracement, check. Touch DMA 200, check. I mean, what else do we want in life? You want everything. NDA, it's looking good now. I did start to be a little bit I was starting to get very hot, you know, when it was, you know, going down. Structure not the best, honestly, I need to say, but it did react within the area for the fourth wave, and now it looks like it's going up. So let's see how it goes. And who knows, you know, tomorrow announcement maybe, you know, is going to drag everybody up. And next, let me check my next. Yeah, I think here now I need to add some levels. So these are the levels, because yeah, for sure 0.618, this is I added the wave 1 and 3, but it's too near the previous one. So 0.786, we do have $3.90. And when I was doing, because let's remember, let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, so this is the possibility that this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. Now, I was counting this as a 1, 2, and this is the inner third wave for this third wave here. And you can see that the blue extension, it brings us to the 1.618 here. Let me just check here. No, it's not even that one. This was the white one. And what happened here? Something moved. Okay, so this one we did reach perfectly the. This should be in white, not in blue. Okay. Now it does seems messy. Okay, so we did perfectly reach that level. Actually, I'm double doing it here. It was there. Okay, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4. So fifth wave now. Let's go. Let me just add some levels, and that's it. 2. I'm going just to add the 2 next following levels. So we do have the 2x and the 2.236, $4.58. I know that would be a sweet spot. And this is the extension. Let me double check if it's updated. Yes, it is. So ideally, the fifth wave, I mean, in ideal world, would reach $6.55 or $5.13, but that would be a little bit weak. So let's see how it goes with that. Yeah. Who else? Yeah, Nvidia, you see, everybody, I have so many friends that they buy every week on Nvidia, but is it the time? I believe this is ready to a correction, or maybe it's doing to do a correction like this, but it doesn't seem the same. Let me check the RSIs. What are they saying? It's not even resetted. Are the RSI resetting? Are they even moving? I don't know. It's not even oversold. I mean, or almost oversold, right? Every time we had a nice correction, yeah, I'm really convinced that we're going to go slowly but surely to reach eventually this uptrend line, yellow uptrend line. Now, Riot, I think I can remove the RSIs. Okay, so now this is the challenge of Riot. We have a possible 5-way up, and we had an A, a B, and then let me double check here. Could it be A, B, C for the wave A? This was a B, and now doing the C. I think I was labeling it like that. Yeah. So you can see that we already passed the 1-to-1 ratio. Going to add the 1.618. I should. Wow, 1.618. It's really far away. Did I do that right? Let me just. FC left. It looks like. It does look like. Let me add. That I'm going to put it in orange and do my count like so. Orange. Alright, so I can remove the 1.236 also. So next level that I'm looking forward now. Let me rearrange a little bit so it's a little bit more clear. Yeah, so $7.75, and then after that 6.86. But if we go there, then this is start to jeopardize this chart. Let me remove some levels here as well. That I'm going to put it in red. And here we are. Completely changed this chart, unfortunately, but we cannot afford to go much lower than $7.85, otherwise it starts to jeopardize this chart. Now Mara, a couple of my friends, they invested heavily in Mara, and yeah, my concern now, this was just a huge A, and this is a bigger correction B. You can see that now. I can just take this B wave here and put it here, or this can be also a wave 2, but if it does that, then we can go much lower. Now we did reach the 0.32, so I'm going to remove it. Yes, I'm going to clean up this chart. It doesn't even make sense. All the trends, and oh yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, so this one, it's a deal breaker soon, right? Because if you continue like this, I mean, but once again, if tomorrow we have an amazing news, maybe this is going to be the sparkle that crypto needed to just start to skyrocket for good. So that's what it is, you know. It's a lot of time. Yeah, I'm saying that, and I'm removing my trends. Sorry about that. Now Tesla still continuing to go lower. And you know, when we were here, I did tell you I wouldn't even think to buy Tesla below $300, and then you know, some call me crazy, and now it's freaking happening, and I'm not even sure this is done. Not even sure this is done. I'm even exploring the possibility to call this an A, a B, and this is the C, and so this could be just the 1. We're going to have the 2, and then 3, 4, 5, and I think now soon I'm going to start to switch on this scenario, and then this is going to be a nice entry point for me, even if I have some problem with the behavior of the CEO. And so obviously I can count all this as a wave A, and then we're going to have a wave B and a wave C. Let me put that in red. I want to put this count in red, and I want to put this Fibonacci retracement zone in red, and there you go. And it is not rare to see a wave A reaching the 0.5 Fib retracement, right? So now I don't have any sign that this correction is completed, but if we ever start to have any sign of correction completed or reversal of price, then this is my resistance level for this allegedly B wave that could be happening. Let me remove, because on the Tesla chart I did work pretty much of removing all the trends. Yeah, it does make a easier chart. Okay, so who else? Did I miss someone? No, I think I'm pretty much good. Microstrategy. Did I do Microstrategy? I guess so. I think I skip it. My goodness. Anyway, Microstrategy, once again, not sure if the 5th wave is finished. I mean, up to now we never had a complete full wave higher than $300. So let's see how it goes. We do have this, strong downtrend now, touching several points, and maybe price is going to get rejected. Let's not forget this is A, this is a B, and I'm counting a 1, 2, a 3, a 4 now, and maybe we still have one leg down. So let's see how it goes with that. I think I already did it. I don't remember. Anyway, so this is pretty much all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. You can, for a limited time, join the Discord channel. It's free for the moment. And so, yeah, have an amazing Thursday. Bye.